Imagine being stuck in traffic and then pressing a button and your car just takes off into the sky. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But the truth is, flying cars are no longer just an idea. They're real, they're already being tested, and some are even closer to hitting the market than you think. From cars that transform into airplanes to vehicles that take off vertically like helicopters. Today, we're diving into the world's most advanced flying cars ever created. Lazareth 496. This futuristic flying motorcycle pushes the boundaries of innovation with its bold design and extreme engineering. It runs on an electric motor that delivers around 60 miles of range on the road and can reach speeds up to 124 miles per hour. Generating nearly 1,300 horsepower and 2,800 newtons of thrust, it uses 4 powerful JetCat turbines mounted in each wheel. With a simple switch, it can transform from a road machine into a hovering vehicle in about 60 seconds, currently capable of staying just above the ground for up to 10 minutes. Bellwether Volume 5. This flying vehicle looks like something straight out of a movie. Built in Britain, it features a unique wingless design and lifts off vertically using a hidden propulsion system, making it perfect for crowded city environments. It's designed to carry 3 passengers and has already completed successful test flights with a working scale model. The use of carbon fiber and advanced materials keeps it lightweight and much quieter than most flying vehicles. What really stands out is its design. It has the sleek, aggressive look of a supercar, giving it a style that's just as impressive as its technology. PAL V Liberty. Imagine driving on the road and then taking off into the sky within minutes. This 2-seater machine is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, making flying feel almost as simple as driving. Its rotating rotor system works like a helicopter, allowing smooth takeoffs and landings without the need for a runway. On the ground, it can travel up to 1,315 kilometers, while in the air, it offers a range of around 500 kilometers. With a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour and the ability to reach altitudes of 3,300 meters, it perfectly blends freedom, performance, and everyday usability. Jiang China is pushing the limits of futuristic transport with some truly wild flying machine concepts. One of their prototypes looks more like a giant drone than a traditional car, lifting straight into the air without even having wheels. It's compact, lightweight, and already capable of real flight, even if calling it a car feels like a stretch. But the real standout is their more advanced model, which actually drives on roads like a normal vehicle. What makes it special is its hidden wing system that folds away seamlessly, transforming it from a sleek car into a vertical takeoff aircraft. It can lift off like a drone and then blend back into traffic once the wings disappear. Still in development, the goal is to have it road-ready by 2030, with an estimated price that's surprisingly competitive for such futuristic tech. Gove. This one feels straight out of the future. Instead of being a single machine, it actually splits into 2. The upper section lifts off like a drone with 6 rotors, while the lower part stays on the ground as an electric base. You could drive to a location, then simply detach and take off into the air. It's built as a single-seater and powered by an advanced autopilot system, making the whole experience feel almost effortless. Even more impressive, while the flying section is in the air, the ground unit can move on its own, heading to a charging station automatically. Once the drone returns and reconnects, it works just like a normal electric vehicle again, blending convenience with futuristic mobility. Xpeng X2. In the middle of China's push toward futuristic transport, one electric flying vehicle stands out as a bold step into the future. Built by XPeng's Aviation division, it looks less like a traditional car and more like a sleek aerial drone designed for everyday urban travel. This 2-seater aircraft takes off vertically, meaning it doesn't need a runway or airport. Just press a button and it rises straight into the sky. Its teardrop-shaped carbon fiber body is designed to reduce drag and improve efficiency, while 8 independent rotors provide stable and safe flight, even if one system fails. It can carry passengers for up to 30 minutes in the air, reaching speeds of around 130 kilometers per hour, and is compact enough to fit in a standard parking space. Built with multiple backup systems, real-time communication tech, and autonomous landing capabilities, it represents a serious step toward making personal air travel practical instead of just a concept. The Land Aircraft Carrier. This is a futuristic 2-part mobility system that combines road travel and flight in one design. The ground vehicle is a large 6-wheel electric mothership built with a bold, boxy, futuristic style. It runs on an extended-range electric system that acts like a generator, helping deliver up to around 1,000 kilometers of driving range. Its main job is to carry, charge, and support the flying module while still functioning as a normal road vehicle. The second part is a detachable electric aircraft that folds inside the vehicle and unfolds its arms when needed. It can take off vertically like a drone, fly independently using manual or autonomous control, and then return to dock automatically on top of the carrier. Once attached, it recharges quickly, allowing multiple short flights per charge cycle. Together, both units create a seamless system where driving and flying work as one integrated transport solution. Drone H1X. This is designed to perform in some of the most extreme weather conditions, making it highly resilient and reliable even in harsh environments. It takes off and lands vertically with smooth, elevator-like precision, offering a stable and controlled flying experience. Despite its advanced design, it can reach impressive speeds of up to 193 kilometers per hour, making it both fast and efficient for short to mid-range travel. Built with strong structural engineering, it can carry loads of up to 500 pounds, allowing it to transport passengers and heavy cargo without compromise. Its focus on safety, stability, and durability makes it more than just a futuristic concept. It represents a practical step toward advanced personal air mobility. With its cyberpunk-inspired design and emphasis on safety systems, it stands out as a powerful blend of innovation, performance, and reliability in next-generation transportation. Switchblade. Breaking the limits of traditional travel, this hybrid aircraft transforms the idea of getting stuck on the road. It is designed to switch between driving and flying, allowing users to take off whenever traffic, construction, or long delays become a problem. Instead of being restricted by roads, it offers the freedom to rise into the sky and continue the journey from above. Imagine driving through a city, heading for dinner or a meeting, and then lifting off above the skyline to avoid congestion, or cruising over endless highway delays with ease. The experience turns long, boring routes into flexible, time-saving travel. While the concept feels revolutionary and opens exciting possibilities for personal air mobility, real-world ownership still faces challenges, keeping it in the early stages of development rather than everyday use. EHang 184. Built with advanced carbon fiber, epoxy composites, and aerospace-grade aluminum, this personal flying vehicle represents a major step in aerial mobility. It is designed for vertical takeoff and landing, meaning it does not require a runway and can operate in urban environments with ease. The structure includes 4 foldable arms and 8 propellers, allowing it to transform from a compact, parked form into a full-sized aircraft within moments. When folded, it occupies roughly the same space as a regular car, making storage and parking simple. Once in flight mode, it expands to carry a single passenger and uses intelligent navigation systems to manage its route. It also includes built-in cameras and autonomous controls for improved safety and stability during flight. In case of any malfunction, a fail-safe system helps guide the aircraft to a safe landing area. This combination of compact design, automation, and safety features makes it an important early step toward personal air travel. CityHawk. The aircraft is designed to carry up to 6 passengers, including a pilot, focusing on both practicality and safety. Its enclosed propulsion system ensures quieter operation compared to traditional rotor-based aircraft, while also improving control during flight. For emergency protection, it includes a rocket-deployed parachute system to enhance passenger safety. Despite its compact size, the design emphasizes stability, precision, and smooth navigation, positioning it as a forward-thinking concept in next-generation urban transportation. Renault AIR4. This concept reimagines a classic compact car as a futuristic, personal flying machine, blending automotive heritage with drone technology. Built entirely from carbon fiber, it is designed as a humanized, aerial vehicle where the cabin sits on top of a drone-like propulsion system instead of traditional wheels. Powered by a large battery system and multiple high-thrust propellers, it generates enough lift to carry a single occupant along with the structure itself. Each rotor contributes to overall stability and controlled flight, allowing vertical takeoff and landing without the need for a runway. The driver enters the cabin by lifting the body, revealing a minimal, utilitarian interior focused on function rather than luxury. This design represents a vision of future urban mobility, where compact, personal aircraft could replace traditional road travel in congested cities, offering a new interpretation of freedom, independence, and transport efficiency. Leo Coupe. Positioned as a personal flying supercar, this electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle is designed to combine performance, range, and futuristic design in one platform. It can carry a pilot along with up to 3 passengers or handle around 510 pounds of cargo, making it suitable for both travel and utility purposes. With a projected flight range of up to 250 miles, including reserves, it aims to support longer journeys than typical urban air vehicles. Its aerodynamic carbon fiber body is styled like a high-performance supercar, featuring a sleek, aggressive look with distinctive wraparound wing structures. The propulsion system is highly advanced, using a large cluster of electric lift jets positioned beneath the fuselage for vertical takeoff, while additional horizontal thrusters at the rear provide forward motion and cruising power. Capable of reaching speeds of around 200 miles per hour, it represents a bold step toward merging luxury automotive design with next-generation electric aviation technology. Flying cars are no longer just a dream, they're becoming reality faster than we ever imagined. But the real question is, would you actually trust one? Let me know in the comments.